Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. On this video here I'm going to show you how to find metaverse coins, okay? Any coins or cryptocurrency that have anything to do with the whole ecosystem or system of metaverse, okay? As you've seen lately, Facebook have changed the name of their company to Meta, and they are trying to get into the metaverse as much as they can before any other one in the market, okay? And that shows that the whole metaverse thing and selling land and having a land and getting involved in this, and people are investing in this because it's the new thing. It's not new actually, it's just now it's getting trending and people are looking into it, okay? And you have to get into it right now because it has a lot of potential, and as you can see, you'll see that the market cap is still low, and if you got into it you'll be having some good rewards, okay? So how to get into those coins? Go to coins and categories, or go to just categories here. First, the website is coingecko.com, and now that we are in the categories, we'll see, and if we scroll down we'll find metaverse as 21st here listed, and as you can see it's not even the top 10 yet. All right, and that shows us that we are still early on this, okay? So you can see here, if you want to see some states here like the market cap, market capitalization, the change on the market, like if it's going down or gaining or losing, and the coins, the top coins on it. All right, so click on the metaverse here, and now you get to see all the coins, okay? And here there are a lot of them, and you can filter by either price or the change, like gaining or losing for an hour or 24 hours, 7 days, the volume, like the market, the volume on the market, and the market cap, okay? So here you get to filter and see stuff and get into some coins, okay? And as you can see, there are Axie Infinity, it's a game that is known, and there are some other coins like the Decentraland and the Sandbox. They are heavily on the metaverse of selling land, and it will be games, and you have in your own land, like in real world. Here we have in land and stuff that you can use in metaverse, and engine you can be used as with games, NFT games, and I think it's something will be integrated to other stuff. So compared to Axie, now Axie is just used on Axie Infinity, but an engine you can be used on other games and stuff, okay? And there are a lot of projects here, so what you need to do is get, and each coin in here that you see, you have massive rewards you'll be getting if you got into the right one, of course. And knowing that we are still early, there will be huge returns on these, okay? So for example here, this one still 19 cents, this one here lower than that, and this one here. So UFO gaming, as you can see, it's 4 zeros here. You'll be having a lot of gains if it just hit 1 cent, okay? And as you can see, this is the volume and this is the market cap. It still haven't got into a billion yet, right? And you'll be gaining some rewards if you got in. But first, before getting into any of these, you need to do your own research and see the project and what is the system and what they are trying to do, the fundamentals, and you see where it's getting sold and if it's going to be listed. As for UFO gaming, it will be listed like 2 days or 1 day left to be listed on gate.io. So get and do your own research. All right, as you can see, it's dipping right now, not that much, but if you saw the charts. But if you want to do this game of doing get into the coins and seeing if it dips, but the thing again, you need to make a research and get in. Even if you see it dips and you're thinking that it might get back to the all-time high, who knows? So you need to do the research and see if it will have something that will make it get to all-time high again, and the project is good, okay? And that's it. Get to the coins that are cheap and see the dip, get the project, learn about it, see what they are trying to provide, then get into it, hold it, and get the gains. All right, so this is it. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it and you want more content like this, and thank you for watching.